Okay, welcome everyone. Got final review of the Lego Star Wars Gingerbread AT-AT AT-AT Imperial Walker build. Does anybody really care about that whole naming controversy? I think I got better things in my mind to worry about. But otherwise, really good looking set. I like everything. It is opposable legs, and it's got the knees and hips or whatever you want to call those joints. The whole side opens up so you can see all the goodies on the inside. They're both flip top, so you got your presents and your little fireplace scene over there. Does have a driver's seat up here, but I don't want to bother with taking Darth's cape off to put it in. Looks like he should sit in there pretty uncomfortably. Let's see if I maybe lose the lightsaber and see if he'll go in there for it. I don't think the will not fit in there, but he can drive it. Have his cape flapping in the breeze. Fun little build. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was a little change. I've done the advent calendars the last few years, and the ones I saw on the cover really didn't impress me, so I decided I wanted to do something different this year. But I'm glad I did. This is definitely, I think, a little more fun. I've been building vehicles that I have to go on the internet and figure out what they are. But give you a good look at Darth, his gingerbread form here. Focus on him, maybe. It always takes wild moments to decide when to focus. But, sort of squiggly lines like a real gingerbread man. And I see it's also got the little texture, the cookie crumb all through them. I think that's really nice little touches that you won't really see unless you get super close on it. I did like that it had the icing around the edge of the cape. I thought that was good. And it was just a blank for his head. There's no face per se. But it's a fun little minifig. I'm glad I got this one in my collection. I'm not a super big collector, but I think having unique ones like this is fun. But not much else to say about it. I like to say, it was, for me, I think it was around a $60 price tag, which seems fair for a Lego of this size, and I'm gonna say pretty good quality. It's not, you can't expect too much out of it, but it looks pretty good. Got all the cannons and everything, and I like how they replaced, got her candy canes and all the various fun type stuff for weapons. See, I had a couple extra bows, so I just put them on the feet because I don't have anything else to put them into. Not a tremendous amount. There were the standard extra pieces, but nothing crazy on this one. Like I said, I don't even know if it's still for sale or not, but I would recommend it. It does have the double action hinge to give you full clearance in there. I just realized that a minute ago while I was sitting here playing with it. But yeah, I think. I just realized we do have I think if I can get a hold of it, we got a lightsaber storage. I think that's what that's for. Maybe not in that spot. I think it's actually on the. There we go. Some lightsaber storage built in. No, that won't work with the hinge. Oh, maybe it will. No, that's going to interfere with the hinges, huh? Okay, I guess not. Maybe I forgot to put something up in that one. That's gonna. Yeah. Okay. But I think I'll call that a day. I don't have any new kits in yet, so I've got an old one or two sitting around. I'll probably start on tomorrow in the shorts feed again. I think I got a speed champions or something I can do. But hey, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow, I hope.